how long does it take to heal your gut? It depends on the ailment that you're trying to address and you're trying to heal your body from. It could be as early as 3 months if you are on a very strict anti-inflammatory diet, because you want to heal your gut the fastest you can, but the safest you can. And also, it could take very long. It could take many years, like up to 2 years, 3 years, but you have to be persistent. You have to be consistent. You shouldn't give up easily because healing occurs when the body is fed the nutrients, the fuel that it needs to heal itself. So give yourself some time, but you could really see the results in like 3 months, as early as 3 months, if it's not a very serious issue that you're trying to address.